How to improve video quality during YouTube TV free trial. Step number 1, ensure a stable internet connection. Verify that your internet connection meets YouTube TV's recommended speeds. At least 3 megabytes per second for standard definition streaming, at least 7 megabytes per second for a single high definition stream, and at least 13 megabytes per second for multiple simultaneous HD streams. Use a wired Ethernet connection or move closer to your Wi-Fi router for a stronger signal. Step number 2, switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. If your router supports dual band, connect to the 5 GHz band instead of the 2.4 GHz. 5 GHz offers faster speeds and is less prone to interference, which improves streaming quality. Step number 3, lower network usage. Limit the number of devices connected to your network while using YouTube TV. Pause any downloads, streaming, or uploads on other devices. Step number 4, adjust video quality settings. Open YouTube TV on your device. While watching a video, click on the gear icon or 3 dots, depending on your device. Select quality and choose a high resolution such as 1080 or 4K if supported. Step number 5, update your streaming device and app. Ensure your YouTube TV app is updated to the latest version. Check for system updates for your streaming device. Step number 6, enable high quality streaming. Navigate to settings, playback and performance in the YouTube TV app. Turn on options for high quality streaming if available. Step number 7, check device compatibility. Use devices optimized for YouTube TV streaming. Streaming devices with 4K capability such as Chromecast Ultra or newer smart TVs offer better quality for supported contents. Step number 8, monitor YouTube TV service status. Check for any ongoing issues or outages affecting YouTube TV servers. Visit the YouTube TV Help Center or social media pages for updates. Step number 9, use premium add-ons for 4K streaming. If you want access to high-resolution content, consider subscribing to YouTube TV's 4K Plus add-on. Charges apply even during the free trial.